go behind the scenes in the kitchen to see how your food is made, how your food makes up to the floor, and everything in between.
So as you can see, we are prepared. We have our hairnets on. Gotta make sure we're
Fancy,
staying safe and clean in the hospital. And let's go get cooking.
All right, sounds good. Come walk in with us. All right, so we are now in the storage room with Gilbert and Cecilia, and they're just gonna tell us a little bit about this room and all the goodies inside. So take it away.
Hello, this is just a back stock for all our dry stock items in the hospital. So this is where we just keep all the dry goods. Sorry. This is Cecilia. She puts up the truck and all the reason the floor stocks. One good little example.
Well, as you receive the truck every day, we start this is a dry area. We receive the floor stocks, we deliver the areas, the items to the different areas in the hospital. This is another order ready to go. We're just waiting for something else to put it in this cart, and then we can deliver it to the department. And this is pretty much, we have all the stuff for the whole department and the whole hospital.
So if you've ever stayed inpatient in the hospital and you ask for a drink or peanut butter or something like that, this is the room it starts in, right guys?
Yes.
And then it works its way up to the room, and then it works its way into your room. So it goes through a whole journey before it even gets to your toast.
All right, so this is the call center. So whenever you call up from your room when you're staying overnight at the hospital, these are the lovely ladies that answer the call, so put your order in. So now we are at the line where whenever you call, put your order in, it comes out up here, and they take, oh, see look, here comes one right now, and they'll put their order up, and then these two will start cooking. So right now they're doing breakfast food.
Noelle and Regina are rocking it. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. What is your favorite thing to cook for breakfast back here?
Pancake.
Pancakes.
Oh, I do love a good pancake.
Yes. Does anyone ever put like toppings in their pancakes?
The way we set it up, we put it always on the side. That way,
I love that.
people, patients can,
make it their own when
Yeah,
they get upstairs. Love it. Look at this perfect bubble. He's like the perfect pancake flipper. Look at that. You have to wait for that perfect moment.
That's right.
Ooh, and there's some hash browns going over here. Got your salty with the sweets. All sorts of good stuff happening.
Oh, here comes another pancake. Ooh, Regina, we hear you're the best omelet cooker. What's your favorite kind of omelet to make?
Oh, I thought it
Good scrambled eggs cooking right now. Perfect.
When the ticket prints, we have the actual ticket that goes to the patient's room. So everything on that ticket has everything that they want. Like let's say the cold food, the hot, the cold stuff, the drinks, all of that. So the ticket that goes to the room is go on that side. The starter is the one making sure that everything is correct, because that's the critical area there. They need to make sure that the correct, spoon, we cannot send, usually before pandemic we used to have the regular spoon,
Right.
But if you have like isolation, like let's say a suicide precaution, that's the job of the starter, to making sure. So we have double things that we need to make sure that we don't get through. The expo, after the starter puts it in, the expo needs to verify it, double check it, just to make sure that we send the right product in the patient's room. And after that, the ambassador should also check it just to make sure. So, redundancy in our system, that way we prevent those things that's happening. But sometimes it still slips back.
That's okay.
That is okay.
So there's lots of people that make up this team that
Yes.
get your breakfast ready for you.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Oh man, look
And
at
still making beautiful pancakes.
Yes.
As you're telling us the plan. That's awesome.
Yes. Yep, these are the pancakes.
So are you two just the morning shift and do all the breakfast foods, or do y'all go through lunch
Regina is
time?
always in the morning. She does all the thing. But me, I rotate in every station, and I sometimes do the evening too.
Ah, do you help out with Cookie Wednesday?
Used to. Used to.
Erin's very excited about Cookie Wednesday. That's really what she wants to know about.
drinks too. All right.
Well, thank you guys so much.
You're welcome.
Y'all have a wonderful day.
You too.
Hey guys, so now that we've seen where the hot food was made, now they're going to finish preparing your breakfast for you to send it upstairs. So we've got these trays getting ready right now. They're adding anything. So when you set your list of what you want for your food, they're adding any condiments you may have wanted. So syrup, peanut butter, ketchup, all of that good stuff. And they're making sure you have your yogurt, your milk, juice, your
Jellies.
that's right. And what's awesome is they're double checking it multiple times. So they're going to make sure you get everything that you ask for when you get upstairs. Oh, sorry, we're blocking your way.
Yep.
You can see it does not stop.
And your juices.
How are you today?
Good, how you doing?
Good. So the next part of the process you can help us,
Yeah.
Miss Amy, is putting the trays.
Yeah,
take
I
upstairs?
have to make sure I check everything. Have to be on the tray before I put on the cart for the ambassador.
Awesome. So you put it here, and then the ambassadors will take it up, and they're the ones
I
that
have to
deliver
call
it.
them, yeah.
You call them. Perfect. Awesome. So then the ambassadors are who you get to see deliver your food. Right. Yeah. I know you didn't know you were going to be on camera today, did you? Surprise. Surprise in the kitchen. That's okay. It's for our patients, so they're going to love it. Amy's putting the finishing touches on all the trays and getting them ready in the cart to head upstairs to the rooms. She'll see you soon. Thanks, Amy.
Welcome. It was so much fun to see how the whole process works, from the call you made down to the cooks cooking your food and watching them bring it up to your room. We had a fun day visiting the kitchen.
Hope you enjoyed our behind the scenes. We'll see you soon.